Good evening. My name is Abhishek Harinath Singh. Today's video topic is array list in Java, and today's date is 26 Feb 2024. So, array list in Java. In Java, array list is a uh, is not a fixed size definable language because in array the size is fixed, and in array list the size is not fixed. It can be of any length while executing in the program. So it is a resizable dynamic dynamical dynamically functional array list. So array list is dynamically unchangeable, and in array list we can it's we can directly resize it, and in array list the the array is not changed while in array list there are several methods like get method, which is used when we want to get the uh, particular line in the array list, where we have to remove the such line from in it. So in that case we need to use that uh, method. Second is index of. In array list, index of method is used when we want to get the uh, particular ca- particular uh, a particular word from an index which we want to get it. So in that site we use index of method. And there is if we want to clone two arrays array list, so there is a clone method which is used to join the array list, where we use clone method for joining the array list. Then there is a clear method where we can check that the array is the array list is clear or not. In that condition we apply the clear uh, we apply the clear we apply the clear method. And in another case where is empty method, we use it as uh, when we want to know that the particular array list is empty or not. So in that we use is empty method for checking the such array list. And there is uh, if you want to get a particular number or some name, so in that we write as get first, or if it is last in the last index, so we write get last. And after that there is a there is add method in which we can add all the elements. And if we have to uh, remove all the array list in a sequence, so there we use for each loop, which is used to remove all the particular array list elements in a proper way. Thank you.